Good morning children. Welcome to our class. In previous class we learned about natural numbers and whole numbers, representation of whole numbers on the number line, addition of whole numbers and subtraction of whole numbers on the number line. We discussed in previous classes. Today we are going to discuss about how we do multiplication on the number line, how we do division on the number line. Our first topic is multiplication of multiplication of whole numbers on the number line. Shall we do one problem? Suppose 2 into 5. How we do this one? 2 into 5. 2 into 5. 2 numbers we have to move. How many times we have to move? 5 times we have to jump. 2 numbers we have to jump 5 times. 2 numbers, 2 steps. 2 steps. 5 times. 2 steps, 5 times. 2 numbers we have to move, jump 5 times. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Here on multiplication we have to start from 0 to. Here 2 numbers we have to move. How many times we have to jump? 5 times. First 0 to 2. Again from here to 2 numbers. 1, 2. Again here to 2 numbers. 1, 2. Again 1, 2. Till now how many times we jump? 1, 2, 3, 4 times we jump. How many times we have to jump? 5 times. Now 1, 2. 2 numbers we have to jump 5 times. 2 5s are 10 is the answer. Shall we do one more example? 3 into 4. 3 into 4. Here same 3 steps 4 times. 3 steps 4 times. 3 numbers we have to jump at a time. Like that how many times we have to jump? 4 times. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Here also we have to start from 0 to. First we have to move 3 numbers. 0 to 3. 0 to 3. One time. How many times we have to jump? 4 times. Now again 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. 2 times completed. Again 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. 3 times completed. Next one more time. 1, 2, 3. Now we jump 4 times. We get the answer is 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. This is about the multiplication of whole numbers on the number line. Here first 2 into 5. 2 steps 5 times. That means we have to move 2 numbers. How many times we have to jump? 5 times we have to jump. Like that 2 5s are 10. Next one 3 into 4. Here we have to move 3 numbers at a time. Like that, how many times we have to jump? 4 times. 3 4s are 12. Every time we have to start from 0 to. Every time we have to start from 0 to. When we start doing this 2 into 5, we have to start from 0. Again here also we have to start from 0. This is about the multiplication of whole numbers on the number line. Next we are going to learn division of whole numbers on the number line. Division of whole numbers on the number line. For example, suppose 12 divided by 2. 12 divided by 2. How we do this one division on the number line? First we have to draw a number line. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Here 12 divided by 2. We have to start. What is the first number here? 12. There we have to start. We have to start on 12 divided by 2. 12 to we have to start. By what number we are doing division this 12? By 2 we are doing division. That's why from here to we are moving 2 numbers back side up to 0. We have to move 2 numbers back side up to 0. Up to there how many jumps we take? That is the answer for this division. From 12 to we have to start. We are doing division with the 2. That's why we have to move 2 numbers at a time. 12 to back side 2 numbers means 1, 2. Again 1, 2. Again 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Up to 0 we have to came back. How many times we did jump here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times, then the answer is 6. Next, one more example. 15 divided by 5. 15 divided by 5. Again same here also, first we have to draw the number line. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Here, what is the first number? 15. There too we have to start. By what number we are doing division here? With 5. That's why at a time we have to jump 5 numbers. From 15 to we have to come back 5 numbers up to 0. First 15 to 5 numbers back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 15 to 10. Again here to 5 numbers back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, how many times we did jump? 1, 2, 3. So, the answer is 3. This is about the division of whole numbers on the number line. Okay, see how we will do first. What is the number we start? That is there too we have to start. By what number we are doing division? That many times we have to jump. 2 numbers we have. Suppose we are doing here 2 division. We are doing with 2. That's why 2 numbers we have to come back up to 0. How many times you did jump? That is the answer. Next here also 15 divided by 5. We have to start on 5. We are doing division with 5. Here also we have to move back 5 numbers. How many times we get 0? We did jump 1, 2, 3 times we jump, we get 0. That's why the answer is 3. This is about the division of whole numbers on the number line. Okay, children, till now we learn addition of whole numbers, subtraction of whole numbers, multiplication of whole numbers and division of whole numbers on the number line. Now we will do some problems on the topics. See, first one, place the successor and successor of 5 and predecessor of 7 on the number line. Successor and predecessor of 11 on the number line. See the children, place the successor of 5 and predecessor of 11 on the number line. We have to show successor of 5 on the number line, predecessor of 11 on the number line. First we have to write what is the successor of 5. The solution for this, successor of 5. What is the successor of 5? Successor means what we have to do? Add 1 to the given number. What is the successor of 5? 5 plus 1, 6. Successor of 5 is 6. Next one, predecessor of 11. Predecessor, predecessor of 11. What is the predecessor of 11? Predecessor means before number. We have to subtract 1 from the number. Now 11 minus 1 is equal to 10. Now we have to show these two numbers on the number line. That's why first we have to draw the number line. First we have to draw the number line. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Which one we have to place on the number line? Successor of 5 is 6. Then we have to draw the number line from 5 to 6. 5 to 6. We have to write the successor of 5. Successor of 5 is 6. That's why 5 to 6 we have to draw the number line. And predecessor of 11. What is the predecessor of 11? 10. Then we have to draw them again from 11 to 10. Okay. Place the successor of 5 and predecessor of 11 on the number line. Successor of 5 is 6. After number 6, predecessor of 11 is 10. Before number 11 before 10. We have to show how this one on the number line means. 5 to 6 we have to draw the line. Again 11 to 10 we have to draw the line. This is about this one. Next one more one is place the successor of 8 and predecessor of 13 on the number line. Again same problem. See, first what we have to do here also. First we have to find the successor of 8. Successor of 8. What is the successor of 8? We have to add 1 to this number. 8 plus 1, 9. Next, predecessor of 13. 13 minus 1. Predecessor means before number, we have to subtract 1. 13 minus 1, 12. Now we have to show this one on the number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now, successor of 8 is 9. Then we have to draw the line from 8 to 9. Next, predecessor of 13 is 12. We have to draw the line from 13 to 12.